Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Do's English. I'm Jessica.
And I'm James. We're so happy you're here today because today's lesson is one that can completely change the way you speak English.
That's right. Today, we're not learning long grammar rules. We're learning English patterns. These are short sentence patterns that native speakers use every single day. If you learn these patterns, you won't have to translate from your own language anymore. You'll simply know what to say.
Exactly. And here's the best part. Every pattern today is simple. Every pattern is useful. And every pattern can become part of your daily English.
So, don't just listen. Listen, discuss, then listen again. That's how your English becomes natural.
And before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Do's English, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Ready? Let's get started.
James, can I ask you something?
Of course, go ahead.
What's the first thing you do after you wake up?
The first thing I do is drink a glass of water. Then I open the window and enjoy the fresh air. What about you?
I usually stretch for a few minutes. It helps me feel awake.
That's a great habit. And everyone watching, think about your answer too. What's the first thing you do every morning? We'll ask you again at the end.
Let's learn our first English pattern. Pattern number 1. I usually. We use it to talk about habits. Listen carefully. I usually read before bed. I usually walk after dinner. I usually call my parents on Sunday. Very simple, very useful.
Now listen again. I usually drink coffee before work. I usually study English in the evening. I usually check my calendar after breakfast. Did you notice? I usually comes before the action. Say it with us. I usually. Good job.
Now, let's use it in a real conversation. James, what do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat rice with vegetables and chicken. How about you?
I usually make something quick because I'm busy during the day. See? That sounds like real English. Not difficult at all.
Ready for pattern number 2? I need to. This pattern is one you'll hear everywhere. At home, at work, at school, everywhere. For example, I need to finish my homework. I need to charge my phone. I need to leave early today. Simple, natural, very common.
Let's repeat together. I need to. I need to. One more time. I need to. Excellent. Now try these. I need to buy some fruit. I need to clean my room. I need to send an email. Can you feel how easy that is?
Jessica, what do you need to do after we finish recording?
I need to answer a few messages. Then I need to prepare tomorrow's lesson. And you?
I need to walk my dog. He's probably waiting for me right now.
Poor dog. Don't make him wait too long.
Now, let's move to pattern number 3. I'm looking for. This is another pattern you'll use all the time. Maybe you're shopping, maybe you're traveling, maybe you're asking someone for help. Here are some examples. I'm looking for my keys. I'm looking for a quiet place to study. I'm looking for a good English book. Easy, clear, useful.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. I'm looking for. Again, I'm looking for. Wonderful. Now listen. I'm looking for my notebook. I'm looking for a nearby bus stop. I'm looking for a comfortable chair. Notice that after looking for, we usually say a person, place, or thing.
Jessica, are you looking for anything these days?
Actually, yes. I'm looking for new recipes to cook on weekends. What about you?
I'm looking for a good movie to watch tonight. If you have a suggestion, let me know.
Great. We've already learned 3 English patterns. Let's review them together. I usually, I need to, I'm looking for.
Don't just hear them. Say them. Repeat them. Use them today. The more you use these patterns, the more confident you'll become.
And don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. You're improving already. Every sentence you speak is one step forward.
In the next part, we'll learn even more useful English patterns that native speakers use every day, and we'll continue our conversation naturally, just like 2 friends talking.
If you're still with us, you're doing an amazing job. We already learned 3 useful English patterns. Remember them? I usually, I need to, I'm looking for. Say them one more time with us.
Great! Repetition is powerful. The more you repeat, the more natural your English becomes. Now let's continue.
Here's our next pattern. I'd like to. I'd like to. This is a polite way to say what you want. Listen carefully. I'd like to learn English faster. I'd like to visit another country someday. I'd like to order a sandwich, please. Simple, polite, very common.
Let's repeat together. I'd like to. Again, I'd like to. Excellent. Now listen one more time. I'd like to try something new. I'd like to ask you a question. I'd like to spend more time reading. Can we hear how natural it sounds?
James, what would you like to do this weekend?
I'd like to go hiking if the weather is nice, and I'd like to cook dinner at home. How about you?
I'd like to relax with a good book. That sounds like a perfect weekend to me.
Now let's learn another pattern. I'm thinking about. Native speakers use this all the time. Listen. I'm thinking about buying a new backpack. I'm thinking about starting a new hobby. I'm thinking about calling my sister tonight. Very easy, very useful.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. I'm thinking about. One more time. I'm thinking about. Fantastic. Now try these. I'm thinking about learning to swim. I'm thinking about changing my schedule. I'm thinking about making dinner early. Good job.
Jessica, what are you thinking about these days?
I'm thinking about creating more lessons for our viewers. There are so many useful topics to share. What about you?
I'm thinking about exercising every morning. I know it'll help me feel more energetic.
That's a great idea. Small habits make a big difference.
Ready for another one? Pattern number 6, I'm good at. This pattern helps you talk about your skills. Listen carefully. I'm good at cooking. I'm good at solving puzzles. I'm good at remembering names. Very simple.
Now repeat. I'm good at. Again. I'm good at. Wonderful. Listen again. She is good at drawing. He's good at fixing computers. They're good at working together. Notice that we use a noun or an ing verb after good at.
Jessica, what are you good at?
I think I'm good at explaining difficult ideas in simple English, and you're good at making people laugh.
Thanks. I hope our viewers agree.
Now let's put all 3 new patterns into one conversation. James, I'd like to improve my English speaking.
That's wonderful. Are you thinking about practicing every day?
Yes, I'm thinking about speaking for 10 minutes every morning.
That's a smart plan. I think you'll become much more confident. And remember, you're already good at learning because you keep showing up.
Exactly. Progress doesn't happen in one day. It happens one conversation at a time, one sentence at a time, one pattern at a time.
Let's review today's patterns together. I'd like to. I'm thinking about. I'm good at. One more time. I'd like to. I'm thinking about. I'm good at. Excellent.
Now it's your turn. Pause the video if you need a little more time. Complete these sentences. I'd like to. I'm thinking about. I'm good at. Say your answers out loud. Speaking is the fastest way to improve.
You're doing an amazing job. Keep listening, keep repeating, keep believing in yourself, because every lesson brings you closer to speaking English naturally.
In the next part, we'll learn even more everyday English patterns, and we'll continue this conversation smoothly, just like real friends talking. You're doing fantastic. Let's quickly remember what we've learned so far. I usually. I need to. I'm looking for. I'd like to. I'm thinking about. I'm good at.
6 useful patterns already. And if you've been repeating them with us, you're building real speaking habits. That's exactly how fluent speakers improve. Not by memorizing hundreds of words, but by using simple patterns again and again. Let's keep going.
Our next pattern is one you'll hear every day. I'm ready to. I'm ready to. We use it when we're prepared to do something. Listen carefully. I'm ready to leave. I'm ready to start the meeting. I'm ready to learn something new. Very simple, very natural.
Let's say it together. I'm ready to. Again, I'm ready to. Excellent. Now listen again. I'm ready to answer your question. I'm ready to practice my English. I'm ready to help my friend. Good job.
James, are you ready to learn more patterns?
Absolutely. I'm ready to keep going. And I hope everyone watching is ready too.
Here's another useful one. I'm afraid. Don't worry, this doesn't always mean you're scared. Sometimes it's just a polite way to give bad news. Listen. I'm afraid I'm busy today. I'm afraid I can't come. I'm afraid that's not correct. Native speakers use this all the time because it sounds kind and respectful.
Let's repeat. I'm afraid. Again. I'm afraid. Wonderful. Now listen to these examples. I'm afraid I forgot my notebook. I'm afraid we're running out of time. I'm afraid the store is closed. Very polite, very common.
James, are you free tomorrow afternoon?
I'm afraid I have another appointment. Can we meet on Friday instead?
Of course, no problem. See how friendly that sounds?
Now let's learn another great pattern. It depends. Only 2 words, but native speakers use them constantly. For example, do you like spicy food? It depends. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Here's another one. Do you enjoy cold weather? It depends. If I'm on vacation, yes. If I'm working outside, not really.
Let's practice together. It depends. Again. It depends. One more time. It depends. Perfect. Now listen. Do you watch TV every day? It depends. Do you wake up early? It depends. Do you enjoy shopping? It depends. Such a short answer, but so useful.
Jessica, what's your favorite season?
It depends. If I'm going to the beach, I love summer. If I want to stay inside with a book, I enjoy winter. How about you?
It depends too. Every season has something special.
Now, let's put today's patterns into one natural conversation. James, are you ready to travel again?
Yes, I'm ready to explore a new city. Would you like to come?
I'd love to, but I'm afraid I have a busy week. Maybe next month.
That's okay. Do you prefer mountains or the beach?
It depends. If I want to relax, I choose the beach. If I want an adventure, I choose the mountains.
I completely understand. Sometimes choosing isn't easy.
Did you notice something? We didn't use difficult grammar. We didn't use long sentences. We simply used useful English patterns. That's exactly how real conversations work.
And here's a tip. Don't try to memorize every word. Remember the pattern, then change the last few words. For example, I'm ready to study. I'm ready to cook. I'm ready to sleep. Same pattern, different idea.
Try this one too. I'm afraid I'm late. I'm afraid I don't know. I'm afraid I forgot. Again, same pattern, different situation. That's how you become a confident speaker.
Now let's review today's 3 patterns. I'm ready to. I'm afraid. It depends. Say them one last time with us. I'm ready to. I'm afraid. It depends. Excellent work.
You're making real progress. Every time you repeat these patterns, your English becomes a little more natural. Keep going. You're doing much better than you think.
In our final part, we'll learn the last group of powerful English patterns. Then we'll review everything together and finish with a fun challenge for you. Don't go anywhere.
You've made it to the final part. Give yourself a little smile. You've already learned many English patterns today, and that's something to be proud of.
Absolutely. Remember, learning English isn't about being perfect. It's about speaking a little more every day. And today, you've done exactly that. Now let's finish with our last group of useful English patterns.
Here's our next pattern. I can't wait to. Native speakers use this when they're excited about something. Listen carefully. I can't wait to see my family. I can't wait to start my vacation. I can't wait to watch the new movie. Can you hear the excitement?
Let's repeat together. I can't wait to. Again. I can't wait to. Excellent. Now listen again. I can't wait to visit my friend. I can't wait to try the new restaurant. I can't wait to practice more English. Very natural, very positive.
James, what can't you wait to do this year?
I can't wait to travel somewhere new. Meeting new people is always exciting. How about you?
I can't wait to hear our viewers speaking English confidently. That will make me so happy.
Now let's learn another pattern. I'm interested in. We use this to talk about our interests. Listen carefully. I'm interested in photography. I'm interested in history. I'm interested in learning new languages. Simple, useful, and very common.
Repeat after us. I'm interested in. Again, I'm interested in. Fantastic. Now try these. I'm interested in cooking. I'm interested in science. I'm interested in meeting new people. Great job.
Jessica, what are you interested in these days?
I'm interested in finding new ways to help English learners. Every lesson teaches us something too. What about you?
I'm interested in reading books about different cultures. There's always something new to discover.
Now for our final English pattern. I've never. This pattern helps you talk about experiences. Listen carefully. I've never ridden a horse. I've never seen snow. I've never tried sushi. Very easy, very useful.
Let's practice. I've never. Again, I've never. Wonderful. Now listen again. I've never visited Canada. I've never driven a truck. I've never forgotten my first English teacher. Notice how easy this pattern is. Just change the last words.
James, have you ever learned another language?
Yes, I have. But I've never stopped learning. There's always something new. How about you?
I've never believed that learning ends. Every day is another chance to improve.
Now, let's have one final conversation using today's patterns naturally. Jessica, I'm interested in taking an online cooking class.
That sounds fun. I can't wait to hear about your first class.
Would you like to join me?
I'd love to. I've never learned to make Italian food before.
Then this will be a great experience for both of us.
Before we finish, let's review all the patterns we've learned today. Ready? Say them with us. I usually. I need to. I'm looking for. I'd like to. I'm thinking about. I'm good at. I'm ready to. I'm afraid. It depends. I can't wait. I'm interested in. I've never.
Excellent. Now here's your challenge. Choose 5 of today's patterns. Make one sentence with each pattern. Say them out loud. Then use at least one of them today in a real conversation. That's how English becomes part of your life. Not tomorrow, today.
Remember, don't worry about speaking fast. Speak clearly, speak confidently, and keep practicing. Every small step matters.
Before we say goodbye, we have one fun question for you. Tell us in the comments, what's the first thing you do every morning? Try answering with one of today's English patterns. Maybe, I usually, or I need to, or even, I can't wait to. We'd love to read your answers.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. We truly hope these English patterns help you speak more naturally and more confidently every single day.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Do's English, and share it with a friend who's learning English too. We'll be back with another practical English lesson very soon.
Until next time, keep listening, keep repeating, keep speaking.
And remember, every conversation makes you a better English speaker. Take care, everyone.
Bye.
See you in the next lesson on Do's English.